speak of the cutting tool, your first imagine must be this or this. But if you mention this in Zhejiang Wenling, people will say the Wenling's tools sell to the world, the global tools are sold in Wenling. A date with Jingdiao today, we will take you into the paradise of tool manufacturing, Zhejiang Technology Limited Company.
The first piece is exactly the same as the 100th piece.
This accuracy is comparable to that of European competitors.
At present, in a very short period of time, it basically has occupied 30 to 40% market share.
We focus on the gear processing industry and determined to become the #1 gear cutting tool brand.
12 experts devote their intelligence and gain great achievements. They devote the indexable gear milling tool, hob, and other products which are widely used in engineering, machinery, wind power generation, rail transportation, and other fields, and filled up a number of domestic tool industry gaps with their high precision, stability, reliability.
Zhejiang has 12 experts, but we are in partnership instead of employment relationship. Our teams of 12 experts together want to be a brilliant Chinese national brand, committed to the development of Chinese cutting tool brand.
Zhejiang's focus is on cutting tool for the gear industry, as well as rotor milling tool and drill industry. At present, these are the company's main products.
We have more than 20 patents this year, including 5 invention patents. Indexable gear hob is a tool that we are very proud of, whose accuracy can reach a level which is up to level 8, and this accuracy is comparable to the European competitors.
Besides the international high tool precision, a strong team cohesion of Zhejiang is behind the leading technology and advanced processing. The persistent pursuit of products and technology has been infiltrated into its development.
We pay great attention to the company's research and development and talent training. These 4 words are the core values of our company: integrity, persistence, innovation, and efficiency, which we take as a stand of our employees.
And when Jingdiao's value concept of precision machining excellence pursues and collaborates with integrity, persistence, innovation, efficiency, there comes Zhejiang tools from Jingdiao machines that downstream customers satisfy. Over the years, Jingdiao is also adhering to the principle of customer demand as orientation, technology, and support, promote customer at all cost of life, which has won recognition from abundant customers who have the same concept for the future of precision processing like Zhejiang.
The plan that Jingdiao provides is very good, which can guarantee product consistency and quality. That is, the first piece is exactly the same as the 100 piece.
First piece is exactly the same as the 100th piece, which is crucial for a high-performance usual cutting tool. Therefore, the consistency of mass production directly related to the Zhejiang's breaking through in a competitive market, getting a good reputation and also won its long-term development. As a tool manufacturing company dedicated to the development, production, sales, and service of high-end CNC tools, Zhejiang knows best the impact of small changes made by the key elements of the tools on the shape of the workpiece in the processing of usual products.
Some wearers of the cutting tool are unable to monitor when machining, but Jingdiao machine has an in-machine measurement and intelligent modification function, so we can detect if the tool wear occurs. Moreover, it can also be measured online if the size is out of tolerance in the processing, due to some errors in the abnormal state of tool or fixture, which is great help to ensure the consistency of products and to succeed in intelligent and digital manufacturing. Because we are engaged in high-quality products, we used to focus on the European or American machines when we're selecting. However, after we get in touch with Jingdiao for several times, we found that their technical team is very professional and the delivery date is very timely.
Zhongguancun Jingdiao Smart Manufacturing Innovation Center is the Jingdiao subsidiary that provides a full range of precision solutions for Zhejiang. As Zhejiang's production and order is increasing due to its recent reputation, the Zhongguancun Jingdiao SMIC, which is started for industry interconnection, is what Zhejiang needs, so their cooperation started. Relying on the national abundant production resources of Jingdiao, the plan for integrates over 3,000 customers and 1,000 domestic and foreign suppliers to provide customers rapid manufacturing services for precision structural parts. And what strikes me most is this platform can send orders remotely and its high efficient processing. Bilateral development, win-win cooperation, control the small changes of key elements in precision machining and realize continuous and stable precision machining of tool products. The story of Jingdiao and Meili is still to be continued.
Meili is committed to creating China's national tool brand together with Jingdiao to devote in the high-quality development of China's machine tool industry.
Listen to stories of our customer, explore the process and secret. Update with Beijing Jingdiao. See you next time.